Hi guys, it's David, aka Mr. August, and today I want to show you guys how to buy cryptocurrency pretty easily in Canada, okay? So you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum. This is Shakepay. So here you can actually transfer your cryptocurrency, Bitcoin or Ethereum to your wallet here, or you can just make a purchase. It's as simple as e-transferring in funds, okay? E-transferring in funds and, add funds here. Interact e-transfer, send this information in. Once your bank sends the funds, it takes a little bit of process time for the first time. You have to obviously get approved for your KYC, photo ID, and all that stuff. Once you're all approved and everything, you take your funds and then you tap on the double arrows here. You can buy instantly Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can put your whole amount if you want, and that's how much you're going to get, and then hit buy. And just confirm and hit buy. And that's it. Or you can do another option. You can do limit order. So if you're going to predict that the market goes down to a certain price point, instead of buying it at 15.27, you can say, hey, I think it's going to go down to 15.09. Okay. Hit next. You're going to get your limit. Put how much you want to buy. Hit next. And confirm the order. And that's it. Once that number goes down to how much you want to buy it at, it's going to process that sale. Same thing goes vice versa for the selling. Instead of hitting buy, you're going to tap sell, okay? Then it goes back to your Canadian dollars. So once that processes, you'll see a zero balance in the Canadian dollars. Once again, to fund, here, e-transfer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or wire transfer. And if you want to send it to someone else, you can send it from your list of people here, or you can just paste in your cryptocurrency address for Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay? And that's it. If you guys want to take advantage of Shakepay, make sure that you guys deposit at least $100 and use my referral link below, so you get a bonus of $30 for free. So that's a 30% bonus if you deposit $100 minimum, okay? That's a pretty good investment to me. Obviously, don't invest anything that you're not willing to lose in cryptocurrency. If you don't know what you're doing in the stock market or cryptocurrency markets, you can fail and lose it all. Not to scare you or anything, just be cautious. Don't send to addresses that don't make sense. Make sure you double check your addresses when you send them out. Make sure you buy at the right timing. You buy on the red and sell on the green, okay? One other cool feature I want to show you guys with Shakepay, you can take your phone and give it a shake, and you'll actually get free Satoshis, which is free Bitcoin, okay? So watch me do this. Literally shake your phone. Get the kind of giver, which is kind of hilarious. Sometimes my wife's like, what are you doing? Take your phone, keep shaking. I'm going to look like an idiot if it doesn't work. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. 770 Satoshis. 8-day streak. That's free Bitcoin, guys. It may be like $1 or a few cents right now, but it's going to be worth a lot later on. So take advantage of this, guys. If you're first time into Shakepay, it may be a little delayed when you're getting approved for your KYC, your photo ID. They want to make sure that you're a real person. And then, you can start buying some Bitcoin, some cryptocurrency here. This is the easiest way. If you want to send it to other exchanges, you can. And then, utilize some more advanced trading platforms. But you just want a quick and efficient way, this is an awesome way to do it. You can also have a referral link, share to your family and friends, and then earn $30 per person that signs up on a $100 deposit, okay? So if you guys want to take advantage of this, make $30 quickly with your $100 deposit. Use my affiliate link below, and we both get $30. Win-win scenario. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel for future videos regarding Shakepay, cryptocurrency, exchanges, affiliate marketing, and the stock market, all right? Appreciate you guys. Love you guys, and see you in the next video.